actually shut down my life. He monitors my calls, my messages. He has chased away everybody I call friends.
I need that right now. You open my gates. My gate for those prostitutes to come here, open their silly prostituted mouths and have my drink run through your esophagus. So your forefathers, down to your last brother, has any of them had this kind of drink run through their esophagus?
I'm going to give that useless man that called himself my in-law. I'll quit.
What? No, what's the meaning of this? Oh, my Nico Italian marble? Really?
My mother is not feeling well and you're concerned about your marble?
So of all monkeys in the world, you chose this one to be your mother?
Is this what you're going through in Okenwa's house?
I am a prisoner right in my own husband's house.
5, 4. If I come back here and meet 2 chins, beggars, lowlifes within my house, tell them they will end up in the worst prison in this country and you will join them.
You cannot do anything. Try it! Try it and I will deal with you!
What did my family do to you? I just want to know, why do you hate me this much?
Look, it's very obvious, okay, that your family is cursed. Yes. Your family is not only cursed, but depraved, deprived.
Please. Do you want me to die?
The truth of the matter is that I'm actually surprised you're still alive. Yes. Because all your mates in the monkey world are all ancestors. Now, listen, I'll say it again. You should never, ever let that woman out of this compound. What did I say?
I should never let her out of this compound.
Get in. Get inside.
You're going to the market with me.